5 situations you may need compounded medications. Why would you require a combination medication? Compounded drugs are pharmaceuticals that are blended or altered from commercially available medications to match a patient's individual needs. A compounded drug may be required for a variety of reasons, including many drugs are mass-produced by huge pharmaceutical corporations and are only available in specific dosages. A compounding pharmacist can make a custom medication at the exact strength and dosage required. If a patient requires a different dosage than what is commercially available, this is especially frequent in children who may have difficulties taking medications that are overly strong or in an unpalatable form. Some individuals may have difficulties swallowing pills or capsules, or they may have a medical condition that prevents them from taking specific medications. A compounding pharmacist can produce pharmaceuticals in various forms, such as liquids, creams, ointments, and suppositories. This can make it easier for individuals to take their medications and benefit fully from the treatment. Non-essential ingredient allergy. Some drugs contain non-essential substances like colors, lactose, or gluten, which can trigger allergic reactions in some people. A compounding pharmacist can manufacture a drug without the offending ingredient, allowing the patient to get the prescription's advantages while avoiding the danger of an adverse response. Combination drugs. A patient may need to take various medications for the same ailment at times. A compounding pharmacist can combine various medications into a single dosage form, making it easier for patients to take their medications and increasing compliance. Discontinued medications. If the manufacturer discontinues a medicine that a patient requires, a compounding pharmacist may be able to make a compounded version of the medication. This can help guarantee that patients have continued access to the medication they require. Do you require a combination medication? A compounded drug may be beneficial if you have any of the following needs. You require a drug in a different dosage or form than what is already available on the market. You have an allergy to a non-essential component of a commercial drug. You require various medications for the same disease and would like them to be blended into a single dosage form. You require a drug that the manufacturer has recalled. Consult your doctor or pharmacist if you are unclear whether you require a compounded drug. They can examine your requirements and determine whether a compounded drug is appropriate for you. Here are some specific scenarios in which you might require a compounded medication. A child who has trouble swallowing pills may require a liquid or flavoring treatment. An elderly person who has difficulty swallowing pills may require medication in the form of a patch or ointment. A person with lactose intolerance may require lactose-free medicine. A gluten-free medication may be required for a person with a gluten allergy. A person who is allergic to a dye in a drug may require a dye-free medication. If a person needs to take various medications for the same ailment, a combined medication that is easier to take may be required. A person who requires a medication that the manufacturer has discontinued may require a compounded version of the medication. How to obtain a compounding medication. A prescription from your doctor is required if you require compounded medication. You can take your prescription to a compounding pharmacy after you have it. The compounding pharmacist will collaborate with you to develop a drug that is tailored to your individual needs. Advantages of compounded drugs. Compounded drugs have several advantages, including customized dosage and form. Compounded drugs can be adjusted to the patient's specific needs, including dosage and form. Compound drugs can be made without non-essential elements such as colors, lactose, and gluten, which might trigger allergic reactions in some people. Compounded drugs combine various prescriptions into a single dosage form, making it easier for patients to take their medication and improving compliance. Access to discontinued medications. Compounded pharmaceuticals might offer patients access to medications that the manufacturer has discontinued. Conclusion: compounded medications can be a valuable option for patients who require a medication in a different dosage or form than what is commercially available, who are allergic to a non-essential ingredient in a commercial medication, who require multiple medications for the same condition, or who require a medication that the manufacturer has discontinued. Consult your doctor or pharmacist if you believe you may require a compounded drug.